Welcome to our guide on signing up for Roblox in 2023. Are you ready to dive into an amazing world of creativity and fun? Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to roblox.com. You'll land on the homepage, teeming with games and adventures. Look for the sign up button, it's bright and easy to spot. Click on it and get ready to create your account. Now, fill out the sign up form. Enter your birthday, choose a username, and create a strong password. Make them unique. After that, you'll need to agree to Roblox's terms. Read through them and check the box to confirm. Finally, click sign up and voila! Your Roblox account is ready. Let the adventures begin. Now that you're signed up, explore different games. From obstacle courses to simulations, the world is your playground. Customize your avatar with cool outfits and accessories. Express yourself in style. Connect with friends. Join games together, share experiences, and have lots of fun. Don't forget to check out events and updates in Roblox. There's always something new to explore. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and share to spread the joy of Roblox 2023. See you in the world of Roblox. Happy gaming!